Hey, just for your information, this video is only part of the complete video that is linked in the top right hand corner. So should you be interested in more hands-on Galaxy S8 Plus Pro Mod tutorials, definitely go check that out. And now let's get on with this one. Once you're inside the camera app, swipe right across the screen, then select Pro to enter Pro mode. Next up, metering modes. Third option on the left from the top, and you can choose between three different ones: matrix metering, spot metering, and center weight metering. Let's start with an example of matrix metering. Now here you can toggle the metering modes: spot, center weight, matrix. Now for a shot like this, where you don't have a foreground-background situation, usually matrix metering will yield the best results because when it comes to exposure, it takes into account the whole image, trying to make sure no highlights clip and blacks are not dropped too hard. However, if you do have a foreground-background situation, like I'm having right now, if you're filming yourself or taking a picture of yourself, you might benefit from center weight metering. So here's an example. This is what my camera, my A6500, looks like using center weight metering. This metering mode emphasizes what is in the middle or the center area of the screen. If I now switch back to matrix metering, watch what happens. Did you notice it? The whole image just got a little darker because matrix metering functions differently than center weight metering. Once again, this is center weight metering. This metering mode places emphasis on the center area. It works very well in foreground-background situations. And if I once again switch back to matrix metering, you can see the results. Third metering mode is called spot metering, and you're rarely going to use it if ever, and here's why. Now, spot metering really doesn't care for anything except what's right in the middle of the screen, and it tries to expose that as brightly as possible. The effects don't really kick in if you don't have a clear foreground-background situation, but check out what happens if I close it on the camera. Boom! Background completely blown out. And that's because spot metering quite simply doesn't care. What's in the middle, that's game. Anything else is unimportant. So as you can see, spot metering can yield very unattractive results. So, no foreground-background situation, matrix metering. If you have a foreground-background situation, probably center weight metering is the best mode to be in. You could experiment and switch between matrix and center weight. And basically, stay away from spot metering altogether. So that's it for this tutorial. Once again, this video is just part of the complete video that is linked in the top right hand corner. So again, should you be interested in more hands-on Galaxy S8 Plus Pro Mod tutorials, definitely go check that out. If you liked this one, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you again soon.